for in for li in cur actions keys. Dot keys, right? Yeah. I think so. I don't know. Then print. No. Actually, no, not even loop yet. Not even. I'll do that someday. But for starters, let's just say. What is it? Blit text? Is that the thing where? Yeah. So blit text. Oh yeah, no, I do have to do the thing because I don't know what the indexes are because it's a dictionary. All right, so yeah, no, for li in cur actions keys, blit text li, and then x is the lateral. So what's so you want to cut it in half and then half again. So 5/8 and 7/8 are the center points. So 5 divided by 8 times 1600, or G width. And these are floats. No, these are int. So I should do 5 times G width divided by 8. Because those are ints. And then, I don't know, 150, I guess, for the height. And then, oh yeah, font action. Is that what it's called? Font action? I think so. Yeah, font action. And then also, oh yeah, so whatever. So, offset equals 0, and then the other thing is that this is actually 5 plus offset. I'm not gonna fall asleep. You guys are gonna fall asleep. Oh yeah, someone. Well, for one thing, I'm standing up, so if I fall asleep, I'm gonna hurt myself. Oh, sorry. I have been neglecting chat, but I've been doing that a lot, so I apologize for how much I've been doing that, because I feel bad. Plus equals 2. But we're almost close to this. Chat. Oh yeah, bacon. I remember that part. Alright, paste bin. I don't know if this paste bin is for me, but I'm gonna check it out anyways. Paste bin. Oh, okay. Oh, I should look at it. Ooh, this is gonna be a lot to take in. But I don't have much else to do after this anyways, so. Oh, sorry. Face the camera. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Sorry. Is this how global works? I just put global where I want it to be global. Like, I don't put it where it already is global. Like, I don't put it at the top level. I tend to... Maybe I'm doing that wrong. I don't know. Oh, man. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, I do it like this. Yeah, that's how I do it. RC split space. Alright. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Sorry, I'm not gonna make it through all this. At least not enough. Like, I'm not gonna internalize it enough to actually come out with, like, the right answer. So, are you scanning for punctuation? Where do you scan for punctuation? Because, right? Like, because, like, if the. What if the action. Because sometimes the action terms, like, coffer, comma, relic. Oh no, I guess he is hearing that, so that's not the problem. Oh look, he's saying relic and he's saying it with the comma, which isn't going to work. Is that what's happening? He's saying relic with the comma, which isn't going to work. Or maybe it will work. I don't know. Does that work? No, maybe that does work. No, I don't think it works anymore. I think I changed how it works and that doesn't work anymore. No, wait, no. It did work. It clearly did work. Because it says it right here it works. Sorry. My brain. Sorry. That clearly did work. It is funny that he says the punctuation, though. It's funny. Yes. To answer your question, Winter Inferno, yes. Wait, where'd my control panel go? No, where'd my control... Oh, I deactivated the control panel. So if you've been to JourneyBot chat, you've seen like roughly how the event system works. The thing that I haven't been working on in a while because I've been working on graphics instead is I have a secret control panel, and I can make these events whenever I want. So I'm not being a complete troll when I say if it will be story-driven linear sandbox. Oh well, so I guess I don't know. It's the only real restriction to the game is that everyone is in a party. Like we're a band of adventurers, and so wherever we go, we all go. But that's like the only real restriction because like I think maybe while you were here I mentioned that like one of the inspirations for I'm so out of it, Light Up Man. I'm so out of it. So I'm really out of it. But we're close though. We're in the final hour. This is the final hour. We have like 50 minutes left. So we just gotta I can't waste my time. I can't waste my time. I can't waste my time trying to be in it right now. I'm out of it and I just have to be out of it. Because out of it is where I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna get there. And oh yeah, the inspirations for side quest, text adventure, and multi-user dungeons, but then also tabletop role-playing games because in tabletop role-playing games it's a give and a take. Like right, it's not like it's different from video games because it's different from many video games because in many video games it's all there. It's all decided. And you don't get to decide anything. Really. Like, the game doesn't decide anything. The game is just a game, and you play the game, and the game doesn't change. But the control panel means that we can do whatever we want in the game. I can do whatever we want in the game, I should say. And so we kind of get to decide the journey together. So, yeah. So, I'm not being a complete troll when I say it's story-driven and linear and sandbox. Because it can be any of those things. If we want it to be story-driven, then, like, I can sit here and make up the story and we can all play it. Or it can be completely linear because I can like decide it all up front and like just read from a script and it'll all just play out like that. Or one of the tools I have on the yay, you made it, Space My Name. I'll pretend that I'm also shutting down and then you can pretend that you made it. Good luck at your thing tomorrow. Good luck at your thing tomorrow. Don't drink in front of the children, I guess would be my final piece of advice. If you're gonna have hair on the dog, no, don't. Just do the greasy food thing. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be good. Everything's gonna go great. Hey, Mitsuki, how's it going? Yeah, this is the 14th hour of the stream. Wait, no, I've been doing it for 14 hours. Does that mean this is the 15th hour or the 14th hour? I forget how counting works a little bit. This is the 15th hour, right? We're not at 15 hours yet, but this is the 15th hour, I think. Good. That's all. That's the key. That's the key space of my name. Good. Double good. Don't drink in front of kids. Don't drive in front of alcohol. Or something. I don't know. I hope to see you again, because I had a lot of fun. Thank you very much for the pictures. And I'll put those on the website when I get to. And yeah, I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again soon. And and if you're back tomorrow, let us know how the talk went, because yeah. Yeah. I keep getting this weird feeling like I'm supposed to be somewhere. Not like literally be somewhere, but like I keep getting this weird feeling like I was doing something and now I forget what I was doing. What was I doing? Was I talking to people? I'm not drunk. I'm a little tired, and sleep deprivation has similar effects as to drunkenness, inebriation. But I don't know. What were we doing? I swear, I was talking to D. Mitsuki about things. Oh, the 15th hour, yeah. So it wasn't important. So... Yeah, no, don't drive in front of alcohol. It's not lazy, it's just tired. Alright. Oh yeah, I was gonna try and figure things out. And I'll just, I'll keep this. I won't close it. I'm just gonna put it down for a second, and then I'll look at what's happening with the bot. Did you fix it yet? We're still working on this, right, Let It Man? Did you fix it already, or are we still trying to figure out things? Because I'll get back to it in a second. I just want to see what the action text does. I just want to hit this button and see what the action text does a little bit. What I'm just going to do. It should show action text up here. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I forgot to change the width and the dimensions or something. No, I thought I did. I thought I changed the width and dimensions. I don't know what that was about, actually. So let's look. Is it blit text? Is there something wrong with blit text? Or is it, blit text? No, it goes by the font width and the height and the whatnot. So I think I just need to make sure those values are correct. Yeah, they should be. 20, 20, 42. Huh. Is that not... Wait, I feel like 20 can't be right. Because that, like, what we're seeing is what it would look like if 20 was not correct. Oh, hey, okay. Yeah, it's gonna run in the main chat channel someday, but right now it's running in this chat channel. So, you have to to play it, you have to go to that chat channel right now, and so then you can play it in that chat channel, and then you can get experience. Uh, and then uh, and then someday it'll come over to the main chat channel. Pretty soon, actually. Pretty soon. Pretty soon. Not yet. Pretty soon. What's the deal with that? It's just not spacing good. So 20 is not right. Because of course it's not right. Because it's 25. Da. Because it's 25 is why it's not right. Da. Alright, that should be good. That should be good. Oh, sorry, I did the bot. I redid the bot. Sorry. I try and do that between events, but sometimes I forget. Sorry, Spaceman M. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, well, it's not right either. What the heck? The heck? Because it's not 25 either. It's 24. Duh. Duh. I should stop just making up numbers. Duh. And use real numbers. Duh. Is what I should do. Duh. Sorry. I'll stop. I'll stop. Wait, did the other numbers get messed up? Did the other letters get messed up? Or is the other font still good? Sorry. What am I sorry? I read the word sorry and I said sorry. Because that's not. Yeah, look at it. Look at what? Look at. It's something. That's a start. That's a start. We're getting places. We're doing places. Stuff. How does that look? Alright, so it's a little noisy, because look at it, it's on top of the other text, and you can't really read it. Well, I'm going to look it at my other monitor. Yeah, that's noisy, and you can't really read it. Because it's all this stuff. So maybe I should put, like, little frames underneath it. Maybe I should put little, like, borders underneath it, so that it's on a different backdrop. Did I say... That sounds like something I would say. Did I say that? We're doing places? I don't know. It sounds like something I would say. What am I sorry for? So, I'm sorry because the bot was running and then I canceled the bot and then it had just started an event and I canceled it right in the middle of the event and then it didn't. The event didn't happen. And so you lost experience because I'm sorry. We're doing it. We're doing places. We're going places. We're going places. Which is impressive, because doing and going are only one letter different, but you don't pronounce them the same. So the fact that I said we're doing places, that's impressive. I don't know how I managed that. Alright, so I think, yeah, so for the action text, we're not done. This is just the start. We're just starting. But the text is a reasonable size, so, like, we don't have to worry too much about overlap too much, because, like, the way the text size, we don't have to worry too much. Excuse me. What we do have to do is the border and the background and stuff. That's the trick. I'll just never watch the archive and then everything will be great. That's the trick. Oh man, like I have this like vague recollection of how ridiculous I've been. Like I can't picture it exactly, but like check the bot chat. Check the bot chat. Bot chat. Oh, is it not happening? Oh, whoa. Yeah. That's how that goes sometimes. Yeah. That happens from time to time. Alright, so what do I want to do with the action text? I have to, sorry, I have to turn off the music I'm listening to. I'm listening to it too much, and then I feel like, maybe that's why I can't, maybe that's why I don't make any sense, because I'm not even listening to myself, I'm just listening to music. Maybe things will get better now. Maybe? I don't know. It could. That could work. That could have been it, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I haven't been tired or delirious this whole time. Maybe I was just, maybe I was just listening to music was all. I feel it's a little easier to pay attention to stuff right now. So, whoa, uh-oh. Yay, we did it! You crashed it. Someone crashed it. Yay! Demonsuki, good job. Thank you. I like crashes, because then we make them go away and then it stops happening. That's what we do. Is this another assumption of pedict? Just a false pedict assumption. Parade. Or pedict. Wait, what? Key error D Mitsuki in pedict. How does that? You did it! You did it! I don't know. My chat apparently does not censor dicks. 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 I said dicks with a T. I should fix that, probably. I should probably fix that. Space my name. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. I'll add that to the list of things. So, get rid of that. Tweak chat to fit on screen. Filter for dicts. That's how I'll remind myself of that. Enjoy it, space my name. Enjoy it while you still can. Yeah, what are we doing here? It's, how do you get in parade if you're not in the player dictionary yet? How does that happen? How does that even happen? You're not in the player dictionary, but you're in the parade? Nah. No. How do you even get in the parade? I just did this earlier today. You get in the parade with you start in the queues and then you get in the parade. Parade appends, yeah. So, I thought I added in CDD and pedict. CDD and pedict, CDD and pedict, CDD and pedict. So how do you get in parade if you're not in... Oh, because you leave. Because you leave. Right, we started to cover this before. Right. So... you leave and the part message hasn't been processed yet because you're in the middle of the event, is what happens there. So, yeah, we just have to check. We just have to check about this. We just have to check so and then we need parentheses, V in pedict and this stuff. Yep. Space my name. That's probably good. That's probably a good idea. Wait, what? Oh, pdict.keys. Right? Oh no, pdict with an underscore. There we go. Alright. That should be better. Is that the only place that we have to test for that, or should we... Is there another place that we have to test for that? Wait, what even is this? Parade, land -1. Oh, yeah, right. Oh, yeah, okay. So, yeah, that was a good one, Demonsuki, because you left and you were the last person to join the parade. So you were added to the parade and then you immediately left, and it was during an event. Is how that happened. Good job. Good job. Alright, so now backgrounds, the action. So yeah, a few things. So I want to cycle the actions, so that way when there are more than 2 actions, you get to see them. You get to see all of them. You did it just right. You did it just magnifique. You're very unique. No one leaves the game quite like you, Mitsuki. No, you have a gift. You're a game-leaving artisan. Sup, brah? Brah. You came to the right place. No, I'm not evil, I swear. I'm not evil. I'm a little tired. I've been at this for 14.5 hours, and I'm a little tired, but not evil. We just added the text, the action text on screen, and so I've said it a few times already, but the orders of business now, like the things that we need to do. Well, I'll add one this time. So I want to make it so that there's like a little backdrop to the text so that you can read it, even though it's like there's stuff underneath it or whatever. Or like, yeah, because like you can't read like chase right now. You can read fire, but you can't really read chase. You can read, wait, what, did it just change? You can read, oh no, I was looking at the wrong screen. Why did it just change so suddenly? I feel like it, maybe I just hallucinated it, but it felt like it said fire and chase, and then it immediately changed to relic and coffer, like with no time in between. Did I just imagine that? Hold on. What is happening? So it is relic coffer. Hey, that is inappropriate. Whoa. Oh yeah, I'm not an admin with this. Just because it's another chat channel doesn't mean you can be offensive over there. Space my name. Tisk tisk. But what, yeah, didn't you go to bed? I thought you went to bed, space my name. Don't you have to save the future generations of children? Yeah, why is it switching immediately? Oh, because no one's playing it. Right. So that's actually normal. That's actually normal. Yeah, so now it's actually going to go to the end of the thing, and then it's going to switch over like normal. Oh, yeah. You can do that with polite language though. Alright, so good, yeah, good. So, alright, cool. And then, so, right, so the things that I kept saying that I still want to do. Yeah, you can read those things now that they're not stuff in the background. Yeah. uh, Suicide the rabble rousers? That's dark. That's dark. I think I'm gonna actually drop the text down a little bit because it doesn't have to be that high up. It can be a little lower down because I put it down. I don't know. I put it at like 150, but like I don't know, 180 maybe. Probably fine because we don't have to worry about. I don't think we have to worry about conflicts in terms of overlap or whatever. I think it should be okay separate. So save that. Let's see what that looks like though. I'm going to restart the bot, so sorry if anyone's trying to play Suicide. Let's see how that looks. It's going to be significantly lower down now. So when the first event starts, yeah. Alright, so that should help a little bit. Just because... No, not really. It's not going to help tons. It's still has a noisy background. Sorry, I'm watching it on my other screen on the delay. Yeah, still way too noisy. So it still needs a backdrop. So what do I want to do for the... Should I make like a special frame for it, or... Oh. Oh. Yeah. So... Yeah, I could make a nice frame for the action stuff. Like I could just make two end pieces and then a middle piece, and then so the middle piece will repeat as many times as it needs to. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do something like that. Maybe. Oh, and you know what else I could do is at the end of the event I could switch over the text. Like instead of just making it disappear, I can have it show like the results. Like so left and right it says now. But then at the end of the event, instead of just disappearing, it could say like left plus, or it could say left plus 0, right plus 4 or something like that. I don't know if that's really necessary, but you know, it's one thing we could do. So yeah, I think I'll do the backdroppy thing first. Oh, I have to use my tablet for that. So maybe instead I'll just do the cycling thing and then do the so I don't feel like busting out my tablet quite yet. Maybe I have another like 20 minutes, 25 minutes before I'm gonna call it. So I could do both maybe? I don't know. It's not going to take that long to come up with the backdrop. Like, the backdrop's going to be very simple. It's just going to be like a grayish slate with like a slightly... Like, it's going to be a slightly transparent grayish slate with like a slightly more opaque and just very slightly shaded border, I think. So it's going to be really simple. So I could probably do both. And like, yeah. So for legibility, I think I kind of want it to cycle as such. So there's like, it shows 2, right? So if there's 3, I want it to make one of them disappear and take over that place. And then if there are 4, I want the other one to disappear and it take over that place. And I want it to just keep on going like that. So I don't want it to like cycle. Like I don't want them to be like constantly like shifting places. I want them to like keep their own place. And I just want the Batman. Yeah. Well, some versions of the game you actually get to like choose your own you get to like submit your own answers. So when we get to that phase, you can suicide Batman all you want. You can do that. That's an option if you so choose. You can do both in some situations. Yeah, true story. Uh, yeah. So what does it mean? Like the thing that I was talking about, like swapping in, swapping out. Uh, I guess. Well, so that's the thing. The only I'm the only one who sees the answers. So that's because I have I have my secret control panel. So the only one who actually sees the answers is me. Except that you do have to submit these answers in chat, and don't forget the same rules of chat apply. So like, so do you remember what happened last time? Because I'm pretty sure I moderated your face. I moderated your face, sucker. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, is your bot still not working? Did it? Sorry. Oh. No, yeah, you said it in chat over. Sorry, I didn't see it when you said it in the other channel, but yeah, we should look at that sometime when I'm like better able. Because we can figure it out. Modded your face. You now have an extra ear. You haven't noticed it yet, but you have an extra ear on your forehead because I modded your face. Um, I don't know what that means. Um, all right, so we're gonna keep track of. All right, so we're gonna keep track of like action. So. Huh. Is that? Ooh. I wonder if these can overlap. No, of course they can, because there's no limit to how long they can be. So of course they can overlap, because I can make them gratuitously long. So maybe I should stagger them. Maybe one of them should be higher up and one of them should be lower down. Probably. So that way, if one of them gets too out of control long, they don't, at least they don't overlap. Probably. So, this will be 150 plus 15 times offset. Yeah. So now it'll be offset. Oh wait, no, that's not enough. 30 is not enough. 30 is not enough because this font is height of 42. So it has to be half of 42 is 21. So that has to be 21. And I liked 180. Could I go lower than 180? I could go lower than. Yeah, no. Alright, so let's try this. Yeah, let's just try this. So, yeah. Oh, sorry. I just restarted the bot. Oh, no. That's the. If you're talking about, like, the double action, it just takes the first action. It always just takes the first action. No, you didn't get points for both. No. You did not. You're lying. You're lying. I can prove it. I think. No, you didn't. Probably what happened is you probably got two things. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm guessing that's what happened. Yeah. That makes more sense, right? Yeah. You did it. Wait, what? Uh, yeah, perfect is only worth 4 points now. Is that what you mean? Yeah, perfect is only worth 4 points now. It used to be more points, but now it's just 4 points. uh, what am I? Oh yeah, right. So I don't want this to be quite like this anymore. Because this one's too close to the edge, and like, it doesn't have to be that far anymore. So what if this was like 1, and this was like 42? What would that be like? So now they're gonna be closer together. Oops, sorry, I'm restarting it. Sorry, I'm restarting it a lot. So I'm sorry. I keep not looking at. I should just do it between events, but I don't remember to a lot of the time. So that's probably fine. I feel like this is probably fine. And actually, yeah. I can even move it over a little bit. Like I should just get more deliberate about these things. But I shouldn't get too distracted with it right now. Or else I should just change it so that I can get it right. Because right now I'm not getting it right. I'm just like noodling with it. So, yeah, have a good night. Have a good talking to kids day. Do it? Yeah. I need luck. I need luck right now. But I only have 15 minutes to go, so we're gonna make it. We're probably not gonna get so much done between now and then, but you know how it is. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, I'm just gonna yeah, I'm gonna do this different. So yeah. So alright, so yeah, we're just gonna do this different. So like there's gonna be a few things going on here. Sorry. That took a little while to figure out in my brain. So, action list. Action list equals whatever. Or I'll say action keys. Or, yeah, action keys. I don't know, whatever. Action keys, or call it act keys. Act keys, act place, equals 0, act 0, act 0, x equals, I don't know, 16, so 11, 12, I don't know, 1200, 0, y equals 150, act 1, x equals 14, I don't know, act 1, y equals 40, 42, nah, I'll just say 100. That might be too close. 100 might be too close. Might be too close. It's like 102. I don't know. Yeah, I'll sorry, Lighterman. I'll see you have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe, probably. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We can do this. We can do this again tomorrow. Easy. Easy. We're gonna rock this. It's gonna be great. So great. I might not sound convincing right now, but believe you me, we're gonna whatever. Act place equals 0. Act toggle equals 0. Oh, I need to re-enable the panel. Sorry for pointing so furiously at the camera. I need the secret control panel to test this. So I need the panel thread to be doing stuff. Alright, so 10 minutes. We're almost there, you guys. Almost there. Maybe I can bang this out real quick. So yeah, what are we doing? So let's not even like loop even. Cause let's alright, so action. So when now we initialize the action. Another thing we're gonna do is we're gonna say act keys equals cur_ev dot actions dot keys. And that way we can just iterate over this list of keys. And oh yeah, so the other thing is that we need act speed, I guess, equals how many clicks or how many seconds. So act time, I guess. Act time equals 0. Act speed equals 4 seconds. We can change every 4 seconds because they only change every other time, so they actually stay up for 8 seconds. And that's, I feel like, enough time. I might even be able to get away with like 3 seconds. 6 seconds might be enough for each. Yeah, let's try it at 3 seconds. That might be too fast. We might want it to be longer than that. So okay, right. So if cur_ev actions is less than or equal to 2, yeah. No, wait, no matter what we do. Oh yeah, so more setup. So act keys equals keys. Act, act, 0. Did I? Oh no, I didn't even. Act, 0. Yeah, no, I just jammed right into it. I didn't even set up act 0. And act 1 equals, alright, so act 0 equals act keys 0. So I guess I can't really assume that there are any number of keys, really. I mean, there should be some number of keys, but like I could accidentally create an event without any keys if I accidentally did that. So whatever. I'll say, I guess I might as well put in the correct conditionals just to be cautious. So if len act keys len other parenthesis act keys is greater than 0, then we can do act keys. Yep, and then I would need to colon, and then if same deal greater than 1. Oops. Greater than 1. Oh right, yeah, no, the other thing. Act 1, act keys 1. Save that. Oh yeah, and then I guess act place. Act place equals 2, which is just what we reset it to. So I guess actually initializing it to 2 makes as much sense as 0, or whatever. Because the only time we need it is if it only becomes relevant if there are more than 2 of these things. So if there are 0, 1, or 2 of these things, then it doesn't even matter. Alright, we're almost there. So now I just got rid of those things. Oh, whatever. If cur of actions is less than or equal to 2, no. Cur of actions, len cur of actions. I don't need to do that. I can do act keys. If len act keys equals 1 is greater than or equal to, if it's greater than 0, 0, split text, split text, act 0, x, act 0, y, font action. Same sort of dealio with this thing, 1 greater than 0, greater than 1, except now with 1, all like that, and then if len act key is greater than 2, then whatever. So if act toggle actually I guess toggle can be true and false. So if act toggle else and then act toggle equals not act toggle and then what else? Act place equals act place plus 1 modulo modulo len act keys. And then, so toggle will do the 0, so act 0 equals act keys index act place. Otherwise, act 1 equals act keys act place. And then, oh right, so then the other thing is that this only happens if act key is greater than 2 and act time less than frame time. And then the other thing here is that act time equals frame time plus act speed. Or this should be called act cooldown actually, not act speed. Act cooldown. And then also act time equals frame time plus act cooldown. Save that. This might work now. Just to test it out, I'm going to put the event duration up to a big number. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run it, and run it. And I'm going to hit delay event so that we don't get interference from another event. And then, so like, woo, goo, moo, foo, shoo, loo, few, skew, through, do, whatever. So, multi, no, I don't have to do anything else. Excelsior. So it starts with moo and goo, and then skew and goo, and then skew and foo, and then loo and foo. Look, it's doing things. So loo and woo. So look, it keeps cycling, is what we did. So that's good enough, I feel like, for right now. Maybe it's not perfect, but I'm over 15 hours right now, so I think I'm going to call it. WizKid, hey! Things are going pretty good. Don't mind the fact that there's just nonsense up here. I just put nonsense in because, I don't know. Why not? Why not some nonsense? But like the thing I was testing worked, so that was good. And then, oh, I don't know why I changed actually the length of this, because that doesn't actually even make a difference. So anyways, save that. So yeah, WizKid, I just hit the 15-hour mark, and I think I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to say 15 hours is enough hours. And then I'm going to probably go to bed, because I'm a little bit tired. Oh, yeah, no, I wasn't supposed to do 102. Hold on, I'll fix that real quick. Yeah, that's not supposed to be so high up. That's actually supposed to be much lower down. And it's because I forgot which way was up and which way was down. So no, 102. No, 50 plus 42. So if anything, it should be 192. And then I'll say 198. See how that goes. Alright, last thing. And then, see how that goes. And then, yeah, it's been a while. So, I mean, I guess I'll do the usual thing. I don't even know if anyone's streaming right now. Someone's always streaming, so. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do before I call it a night. Hold on, I just have to find my earbuds real quick. So the last thing I'm going to do. Oh yeah, so yeah, right. So I'm calling it. Like I should have called it a while ago, but out of like pure, sheer stubbornness, I decided to carry on a little bit longer. But we have 15 hours, so that's the good news. And then we're going to do this again tomorrow, maybe? I don't know. It could happen. So, right. So if you want to see me do this again and possibly just like collapse in the middle of the 15-hour stretch, hit the follow button. There's a little follow button under the thing, and that way you'll know when I go live tomorrow. And then also, if you want to hear about when I do other crazy things like this, my Twitter handle is listed in the bio section. It's at srsly_bz. So yeah, I post like schedule updates, announcements there and stuff. Like I hinted at what I was gonna do today. I didn't say it outright because I wasn't sure what I was gonna do. Like for a little bit, I was thinking I would do it 30 hours straight, and now that like no, that was never a good idea. Not even close. But so yeah, this worked out, I guess. Anyways, so right, so I'm gonna alright, I'm gonna switch over to Facecam for a second because while I'm saying my final goodbyes, I'm going to go online real quick and then see if there's anyone else who I like streaming right now. I never watch streams at this time, so I have no clue if I'm even gonna... Oh, why did I get logged out? Sorry. I just have to log in real quick because, wow, how am I even still, like, chatting and stuff? I don't know. It seems like I should have gotten... I just feel like something weird should have happened since I got logged out. I'm just gonna turn off the mic for a second, but I'll be right back. Hey, sorry about that. Alright, wow, there are tons of people. Hey, Cedric Games are online! Ah, that's crazy. I mean, I guess it's not quite as late over there. Man, I wish I could watch their stream, but I kind of have to go, so I kind of have to. Alright, alright, so yeah, cool. Alright, wait, so I found another channel that we can kick it over to. So yeah, so final goodbyes, and then I'm gonna wait for stream delay, and then I'm gonna kick it over to this other channel. So we got a lot done today. Like it was a full day, and to think I almost stopped at around like what was it, like 9 o'clock? But no, we pulled it through, and we were making stuff happen right up until the very end. So thank you for everyone who hung out, who made it fun. I don't know if I would have made it without you guys, honestly. Like I was like, I didn't have it in me, and then you guys like pulled it out. You guys like convinced me to keep going, and I'm kind of glad I did, because I could hit 30 hours this week, which would be impressive for just 2 days. I'd be happy with it at least. Maybe not impressive. I'd be impressed with myself. Is what I meant to say. So yeah, thank you guys for. Oh, we made some awesome art today too. So, Mr. Max Myers. So you caught me in my final goodbyes, but I'm gonna kick it over to some really cool people. If Dog then, I don't know if you know him from our chat, but he's streaming right now. He streams under Srsly Games, so we're gonna kick it over to them in just a second. I was just saying thank you to everyone. I guess I'll say one more plug for the follow buttons. There's a follow button there, and then there's my Twitter handle, which you can follow me there and get like schedule updates and stuff. And then I think that's most of it. So thank you again, everyone, for tuning in. I just like, even if you were just like not even participating in chat and just like hanging out and watching, like that's awesome. Like you guys are literally the reason I do this. So it's great to have you all here, and I hope to see some or all of you again tomorrow when we do it all again. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for stream delay, and then we kick it over to Srsly Games. Have a wonderful whatever time of day it is wherever you are, and have an excellent whatever time of day it is until I see you next. Alright, so now I'm gonna wait for stream delay. If you're hearing me say this, it's because I did not time out my stream delay correctly. So I'm going to do host Srsly Games. This spelled out right? Srsly Games, yeah. And then that should be good, I think, in terms of stream delay. Hopefully. I'm gonna stop streaming.